Welcome to part 1 of lesson 2 for the Adobe Animate video tutorial series. In this lesson, we are going to examine how we can draw faces and gain a better understanding of why we draw different items on different layers. Let's begin. First, we need to start a new Adobe Animate animation. To do this, select ActionScript 3.0 from the splash screen. Just a quick reminder to ensure that the option selected in the layout menu is set to classic, so you can follow along with my instructions. In this video, I will draw the head outline, so I'm going to rename the first layer to the name Head. Next, I will select the Circle tool and ensure the line property is set to black and the fill colour is set to a fleshy pink. Remember, you can choose your own skin colour for your character. When you draw a circle on the screen, you can do it freehand like I am demonstrating here, but a better way is often to start in the centre of the screen and hold the Alt button as you drag. This will pull a circle out from the centre of the screen. If you also press Shift whilst you're doing this, you will get a perfect circle. Now I will draw an oval to act as my character's chin. I will then draw another oval to act as my character's left ear. Remember, he is facing me, hence this is the left ear. I will repeat this process to draw the right ear. Don't worry about being precise, human faces are often not perfectly symmetrical. Now, I want to get rid of some of these lines. To do this, I will use the brush tool and I will ensure the fill colour is the same as my character's skin colour. I will also make sure my brush is thick enough to draw over the lines. Now I remove part of the left ear, leaving a little bit of the bottom curved line. I will do exactly the same on the right ear. And finally, I will remove the top line of my character's chin, which leaves me with an outline of my head. If you make a mistake at any time, there is an undo button in the edit menu, or you can simply press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. I am going to add the internal part of each ear, just to make them look a little better. Again, just drag an oval inside of both ears to create this effect. Then, after this is done, use the brush tool once again to remove the inner lines. The final thing I want to do before my head is done is to add in a hairline. With the brush tool still selected, I select a fill colour, which, in this instance, I am going to use brown. I am going to make the brush a little smaller so it is easier to draw a finer line. When I draw the hairline, I start with the sideburns near the ear, before working my way across the forehead with a wavy line. I complete the second sideburn, being careful to keep it off the ear. Then finally, I do a wavy domed line over the top of the head and join it to where I started. I now need to use the fill tool to fill in the hairline. Remember to check to ensure that your fill colour is still the same as your hair colour. And finally, I will use the brush tool again to get rid of the black lines across my character's head. Feel free to work on making a different shaped face or a different hairline. Just don't add any facial features yet. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.